2013 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security package, side airbag, fog lights, remote keyless entry, vehicle stability assist, traction control system, steering wheel cruise control, cloth upholstery, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.